Hey guys, welcome back. So it looks like our sea monkeys on Mars are still doing great. We still have this one adult that's swimming around and also a couple babies in there as well as some teenagers. So it seems like all the babies in this tank make it to adulthood and everything is starting to balance out nicely. Today, since they all made it through this chaos, I am going to treat them with a little banana treat. So let's try this out. I haven't tried this yet. I'm going to use the small side of the spoon. Still green. It's a little brighter than the other food that they eat, the growth food. Use the small side of the spoon there. Now let's take a close look before I stir things up and aerate the tank. Now we're going to aerate this tank a little bit, just to give our sea monkey some fresh oxygen. This also helps us stir the food around for the little guys. Alright, let's let things settle down for a minute and then let's take a closer look.